Welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm just going to show you a quick video that we made for a plumbing company here in Southern California. So we've worked with several plumbing companies here in California, and so this is just one of our most latest projects. So give it a watch and I'll see you at the end. Alright, welcome back. So that video you just saw was actually a highlight video, and it's going to be used for their social media and for their website. Now, if you're looking to do something like that, I could definitely help you out. So I'll put my website on the screen right now. Go ahead and fill out the contact form. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I'll also put a link down below also. So other than that, that's all I got for you. Peace.